Now we are going to solve a problem on purely resistive circuit. So this is a given problem. A pure resistance of 12 ohms is connected across a 240 volts 50 hertz supply. Calculate the first one is current, second one is power consumed, and write down the equations for voltage and current. So first write down the given data. What is given? A pure resistance value is given, that is R value is given 12 ohms connected across a 240 volts. The given voltage is always RMS voltage, that is 240 volts. Frequency is given as 50 hertz. Then first he is asking the first value is current, RMS current I. Second term we have to find power consumed, that is active power, because reactive power is 0 in a purely resistive circuit. We have already seen that. And write down the equations for voltage and current. So what about the third bit? What is the equation for voltage and current? First priority current. So I, how to find I? So current in the circuit is from Ohm's law. We know that I is equal to V by R. So V value already given 240, R value already given 12 ohms. 240 by 12 is 20 amperes. The current flowing in the circuit is 20 amperes. Next, first bit is completed, that is I is equal to 20 amperes. Next bit, what is the power? So power consumed, power, active power is equal to, what is the formula? V into I, or V square by R, or I square into R. You can use any formula. For example, I am going to use this one. P is equal to I square. Current value is given as, we got as 20, that is 20 square into R value 12, that is 4800 watts. So second bit also completed. The power value is equal to 4800 watts, or we can write this as 4.8 kilowatts. Okay. Then the maximum value. What is the third one? Equation for voltage and current. We already know voltage equation, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Next current equation, I is equal to Im sin omega t. First of all, we have to find the Vm and Im, maximum value of voltage, maximum value of current. How we are going to do? The given values already we know. This is RMS value is given as 240 volts. The given voltage is a RMS voltage, and we have RMS current, that is 20 amperes. Now if you know RMS voltage and RMS current, then how to find maximum voltage and maximum current? We know the relation, maximum voltage is equal to RMS voltage by root 2, and also maximum value of current is equal to maximum value of current is equal to RMS value by root 2. From there I can write, RMS value of voltage is equal to maximum value by root 2. RMS value of current is equal to maximum value of current by root 2. From there I can find maximum value, Vm is equal to root 2 into Vrms, that is root 2 into 240 volts. What is that value? 339.41 volts. Similarly, maximum value of current is equal to root 2 into RMS value of the current, that is root 2 into 20. Then what is this value? 28.28 amperes. Now I got Vm and Im. Now I have to find what is omega. What is omega? So already know from the definition, omega is equal to 2 pi f. Here omega is an angular frequency. Ef is normal frequency which is given. So I can write 2 pi into the given value of frequency is 50 hertz. Okay. So this is 314.16. The units are radians per seconds. Now substitute all the values here and here. Therefore V is equal to Vm sin omega t, that is Vm value, what is this value? 339. So 339.41 sin omega t value is 314.16 into t. Then current expression, I is equal to Im sin omega t. Then what is Im value? We got 28.28 sin omega value is 314.16 into t. So these are the third bit, the equations for voltage and current. So this is a problem regarding purely resistive circuit. Thank you.